So Saturday morning, I've just come into the shop today to do a bit of tidying up. We've been quite busy for the last couple of weeks and one man short, so we've got a bit behind with the tidying up. So, guess that was my job today. Pretty much got most of it done. A few other bits and pieces I need to tidy up. There's Cody's new toolbox and tools not unpacked yet. Hopefully he'll have those working on Monday. Had to clean up all the oil drums at the bottom there. There was crap everywhere. And that's it. And to all you mothers out there, have a happy Mother's Day tomorrow. Cheers.